You're welcome to this channel. So today I want us to learn about one of the most nice area that it is interesting for us to study. So the part that I want us to study today is percentage. So we shall learn about percentages. Now, when talking about percentage, so what's a percent? We have a percent, so all percentages usually moves up to 100%. Like now we can say, like we can have a fraction, like let's say we can have 2 over 10. This one is a fraction. Now this 2 over 10, we can change it as a percentage. So in changing as a percentage, just multiply by 100. So this one just have to put it over 1. So that now we have 0, 0, then now we shall have 20%. So our answer now shall be 20%. We can have, for example, another one like 3 out of 10. Then you are asked to convert this fraction as a percentage. You just have to multiply it by 100 like this. So multiply by 100, we shall have 3 multiplied by 300, and it's 3 multiplied by 100. Then we shall have 300, then over 10, because this one is a denominator over 10. So then we shall have 0 divided by 0. So now the answer shall be 30%. So not only we can convert these fractions as a percentage, but you can also change the decimal into percentage, like we have 0.02. This one is a decimal. We can have this decimal as a percentage, but now the first thing is changing the decimal into a fraction. So from there we shall have total of 100. Like, and now when changing now, we multiply by 100 because we are changing into a percentage. Then now from there we shall have 2%. So that is how we can convert it as a percentage. Let's say you are given another fraction, like we can have 4 out of 5. So 4 out of 5 is a fraction. So this fraction you can as well change it into a percentage by just multiplying it by 100. So don't worry about this. This just put out of over 1. So now we multiply the numerator first, that is 400 divided by 5. And the answer now becomes 80%. We can also do, apart from working out this, we can also work out we do the cross multiplication, whereby we say 5 here once, 5 goes into 100 how many times? Then 20. Then just take 4 multiplied by 20. And the answer becomes 80%. So now the other question now we can be asked, like now, we can now be asked what is 20% of 80? What is 20% of 80? So when you are asked such type of question, you just have to take this 20, then multiply by this 80 directly. So when you take 20 multiplied by 80, the answer now becomes 1,600. Then now you divide by 100. Now when divide by 100, the answer now becomes 16%. The answer now becomes 16%. Now, the other question now we can be say like, what is, the other one says like this, what is 10% of 80? What is 10% of 80? So once you have this figure like this, just take this 10, that one 10, multiply by 80. So 10 multiplied by 80 is 800. So once you have the 800, now you just divide by 100. So now the answer now becomes 8. The answer now becomes 8. Now, we can also be told this way, what is 20% of 10% of 1,000? What is 20% of 10% of 1,000? So from this case, you shall get this 20 here. So you pick 20. Percentage means over 100 multiplied by 10. So 10 out of 100 because it's a percentage. Then you multiply by the 1000 there. So from there we begin. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we shall have to multiply by 1, which is 2, times 10 is 20. So the answer is 20. So the 20% of 10% of 1000 is 20. So that is now becomes the our answer. So we can that is how we can work out these figures. Like 20% of 100. What is 20% of 10% of 1000? So we shall have 20 out of 100 multiplied by 10 out of 100, then multiply by 1000. So we shall have 20. Okay, so we can be told to convert 20%. Convert 20% to fraction. Convert 20% to fraction. So here we are asked to change the numbers to fractions. Like when you convert 20% to fraction, you're going to just have this 20 multiplied by 100. Then 0, 0. So we shall have 2 out of 10. And the answer becomes 2 here once there, 5. So the answer becomes 1 over 5. So I want to stop there, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.